Guess what's making headlines today? Big money, folks, and I mean big money pouring into crypto. First up, Tom Lee, the main man from Fundstrat. His Bitmine just dropped a cool $130 million on Ethereum. We're talking a massive 44,000 ETH. That's a serious chunk of change, showing some real conviction in the smart contract king. When big players like this dive in, it ain't just a ripple, it's a wave. It signals that institutional money is still looking at ETH with hungry eyes, probably eyeing those future staking rewards or just the overall growth of the decentralized finance ecosystem built on Ethereum. For those new to the game, Ethereum is like the operating system for a whole bunch of digital money applications and NFTs. It's where a lot of the action happens in crypto outside of Bitcoin. And speaking of big money moves, guess who's back at it? MicroStrategy. They just went and stacked another $109 million worth of Bitcoin. Yeah, you heard that right, another 100 million. These guys are basically the poster children for corporate Bitcoin adoption. It's like they're saying, forget the sidelines, we're all in on the digital gold. Every time they buy, it reinforces the idea that Bitcoin isn't just a speculative asset for the retail crowd, but a legitimate treasury reserve asset for publicly traded companies. It shows a long-term belief in Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and a store of value. This ain't their first rodeo, and it probably won't be their last. Bitcoin, the original crypto, is often called digital gold because it's scarce and seen as a safe haven asset, kind of like gold in the traditional financial world. This is not financial advice. Now for something a little different, but still big in the tech world that often crosses paths with crypto. Nvidia, the chip giant, is making some smart moves to dodge those pesky antitrust regulators. They're partnering up with Groq, another big player in AI chips, instead of just outright buying them. This is all about keeping the competition folks happy while still getting their hands on cutting-edge AI tech. Why does this matter to us? Well, these are the very chips that power the AI boom, and sometimes, indirectly, the infrastructure that supports large-scale data processing that can be related to blockchain tech or even mining operations. It shows how the big tech players are navigating a complex regulatory landscape, something crypto projects are also constantly dealing with. It's all about strategic positioning in a rapidly evolving tech ecosystem. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.